Jimmy Shine's 34 Ford pickup. As you can see, I've put the rear wheels on. There's no motor connected or anything yet, but that's another story. Front end's on. Headlights are now on. So it's looking all right. Now I want to put the motor on. We've put the earlier version with the two Strombergs. And we've got our hole there for actuator, but we're not going to put that in today. Just one of these little ones you can buy. And this has got the 3 wires, so you can adjust the range with your Arduino or your pickaxe or whatever you use. You just want to locate that in there. And we're just going to do a couple little solders just to hold it in place, because when we do the steering it's probably going to have to come out. But that should do. Beautiful. And this is a great part of this model. The engine can just go straight down. Remember, there's that locating hole at the back inside. If we turn her over, back in there. That's better. Beautiful. And that can line up just like so. And it goes on the engine mounts just in here, just like so. And then the very telltale water pipes simply just go in that hole and pop them on there like that. Of course, if you're doing this for the last time, you could glue it all together or whatever you'd like to do. But we'll be taking it apart again later. And there they are. That's pretty cool. And besides the engine pipes, which we haven't made yet, I have to make them. And I think that's about everything. I've got the seat there, we can put the seat in later. Just our little one can fit in there nicely. I haven't made the dash yet. The dash will be something I'll do later. And yeah, I got the tail shaft in. Just a couple of 12mm, very small nail, works perfectly. You can hardly even see that, and they just, yeah, she opens up. Got all the detail there on the back, you know, so I'm extremely happy with it. After about 4 months work, I think you'll be happy with it. So, thanks very much for watching, and we'll get some photos of this outside.